Yeah, this is Lilgeche, you know, shout out to all Cool Kids Inc.
In the movement, and I do it big, like fat folks. Being had money, and y'all flat broke. Break them off, no Kit Kat, without saying a word, no chit chat. And I'm fly, airplane status, all the way turned up, just like Travis. Still want a 6'9", a nigga, she with it. Booty got swag, so a baseball hit it. Young Wayne Gretzky, cause I'm iced out, chain so bright that I shine like a lighthouse. Never go left, and I only take the right route, and I go in. While y'all stay out, girls gon' choose, and you losing. Hit my cat daddy, then a nigga start juicing. Nigga start juicing. Hit my cat daddy, then a nigga start girls gon' choose. Nigga start juicing. They gon' choose up. Nigga start juicing. Either you or me. Hit my cat daddy, then these niggas losing. Hit my cat daddy, then nigga start juicing. Girls gon' choose. Let's go. Hit my cat daddy, then hit my cat daddy. Hit my cat daddy, then hit my cat daddy. Hit my cat daddy, then nigga start juicing. Hit my cat daddy, nigga start juicing. Girls gon' choose. Any niggas lose, girls gon' choose. Any niggas hit my cat daddy, then nigga start juicing. Hit my cat daddy, 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 nigga start juicing. Girls gon' choose. Any niggas lose, girls gon' choose. Any niggas hit my cat daddy, then nigga start juicing. Hit my cat daddy, nigga start juicing.
DJ Fade.